I say goodbye, it is never for long, 'cause I know our love still lives on. It'll be again exactly like it was, 'cause I believe in the power, the power, the power.
Hollywood streets, Hollywood, not Hollywood. Gorgeous gangster, the ladies man, Black Rabbit, too smooth like silk. Get money records, G Gunners, us too. And I'ma just talk to her, like really, I'ma just talk to her. So sweetheart, please listen. Listen, boo, if me and you was to break up, I swear to God, I'll try to make it up. I love you, you love me. Them other bitches is ugly, they just mad 'cause you don't need makeup. Me and you show each other too much love, that's why them other bitches hate us. Girl, I'm too in love with you, and yes, I'm always fucking you, but right now, we gon' make love, straight sex, pulling your hair, kissing your neck, while you rubbing my chest. Now I'm sucking your breasts, and rubbing my dick on your clit. She like how I be teasing her and shit, just watching her clit grow. Just put my dick in, now I'm going nice and slow, but she likes it though. Just bust a good nut, gotta like this dro. She a grown woman, I ain't wife no hoe. I mean, my love like cars without tires. I ain't going nowhere, I got your back. I'm like weed and crack, I'ma always be here, like money and air. I love you, boo, and I show it, and I know you love me too. She really cares. What's wrong, boo? What's going on with you? Why I see tears come cry on my shoulder, or a ride in my Rover. I'm a rocked up fella, and no, I'm not Hover. I'm your king, you my queen. Baby, I'ma take you to Jamaica, and I'm not talking the one in Queens. Some people say they love you, but don't show it. So that mean they don't know what the fuck love mean. As long as you know I love you, and she knows I know she loves me. I mean, when I say goodbye, it's never for long, 'cause I know our love still lives on. Baby, streets in need, I want you, and I'll never tell you do something if I know you don't want to. And I told you if I die now, my love will haunt you. And when I'm not home, she's texting me or calling my phone just to check on me. I mean, I got some fucked up ways, but still she stays. She lets me be. Sometimes she gets me angry, but I still can't leave. She got that effect on me. I really do love her. I mean, I can't be, and I hate when she's not near me. Girl, come next to me.
When I say goodbye, it is never for long, 'cause I know our love still lives on. It'll be again exactly like it was, 'cause I believe